Hello students, today we are going to discuss one of the important topic for NTSC, that's nothing but magnetic flux. We are denoting it magnetic flux by pi. Denoting it pi. Now what is magnetic flux? Definition part we are seeing means the number of magnetic field lines are passing through a given surface or area. That's nothing but we are telling magnetic flux. Now we can see here, now magnetic field lines we are taking here. Suppose I am taking here uniform magnetic field lines I am taking. One of the small area, given area I am taking, one of the small given area I am taking. Now how many magnetic field lines are passing through a given area? How many field lines are passing here? Two field lines are passing in a given area. Two magnetic field lines are passing through a given area. With respect to magnetic field and area of cross section, we can tell that's nothing but magnetic flux. The same thing, now what I am doing means I am increasing area. Now this small area I am taking, now what I am doing, the area or surface I am increasing here. Now how many field lines are passing? Now the number of field lines are passing through a given area is 3. How many? 1, 2, 3 only, no? This is nothing but magnetic flux. Now what happening here, whenever I am taking small area, only 2 field lines are passing through that one. When I am taking more than some little bit increased area of cross section, what happened? The field lines, number of field lines are passing through a given area also increases. That meaning what? The magnetic flux is directly proportional to area of cross section. Now at the same thing, whenever we are increasing magnetic field we are increasing meaning what? The distance between field lines we need to decrease it. Now the distance between field lines we are decreasing here. What is the small area we are taking? Same area we can take here. Same area we can take here. Small area I am taking here. Now how many field lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 magnetic field lines are passing through a small area. How much area I am taking here? Same area I am taking there. How many field lines are passing? 1, 2, 3, 4 field lines are passing. Same area, but the magnetic flux is increased here. Why increased? Due to increasing of magnetic field. Due to increasing of magnetic field B bar. This is area A. Due to increasing of magnetic field, what increased here? Magnetic flux. So magnetic flux is what is given here definitionally. Magnetic flux is equal to magnetic field into area of cross section. For suppose the area of cross section with respect to some angle. Now we are taking parallelly the magnetic field and area of cross section are both are in parallel each other. There is no angle between area and the magnetic field. Angle between area and magnetic field is 0. Theta is nothing but 0. With respect to some angle, whenever I am taking here, with respect to some angle means the area of cross section with respect to some angle I am taking here. Theta. With respect to theta angle I am taking some angle. We need to find the magnetic flux. Then magnetic flux pi is equal to BA cos theta. Pi is equal to BA cos theta. Here one small thing we need to remember here. What are the questions they will ask? When the magnetic flux is maximum and when the magnetic flux is minimum. Then the theta is equal to, whenever we are taking 0, what will happen? What will happen? Then the pi is equal to, we can substitute instead of theta, we can substitute 0. The angle is 0 degrees. So BA cos 0. Then what you can get here? Pi is equal to BA. Cos 0 how much more? Value is 1. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. So BA into 1 we can get as a BA. Whenever the theta is, we are taking 0, there is no angle between area and magnetic flux. Then we can get as a maximum magnetic flux. Magnetic field and area without angle we are taking is magnetic flux is maximum. Okay, wow. Next one. When the magnetic field is minimum. magnetic flux is minimum. There is no angle means maximum we are telling. There is an angle 90 degrees. The area of cross section area we are taking 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Area with respect to magnetic field, theta is equal to 90 degrees whenever we are taking. Pi is equal to BA cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 value is 0. Pi is equal to 0. The value of pi is equal to 0 we are taking. That meaning what you can say, whenever we are taking theta is equal to 90 degrees, the magnetic flux is minimum. The magnetic flux is minimum. So please remember it. This small questions also they will ask. Okay. Next one, what is the units? That's the main thing. What is the units of magnetic flux? That is nothing but we are telling Weber. What is the unit, ma? Weber. Unit of magnetic flux is nothing but Weber. So please revise once. You can get clear cut. I given some more examples you can take and you can do your own. Okay. Thank you all of you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please give support and share with your friends.